Hey, and welcome to this video for Clever Canvas. Clever Canvas is an app available for Android and iOS that allows you to create custom drawings on your device. So once you open up the app for the first time, you can go ahead and choose whether or not you want your design to be drawn in portrait or landscape mode. Additionally, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you can click on the plus button and choose the aspect ratio of your canvas. Now before you do this, in the top left-hand corner, click on the three lines, and you can see that you can also go ahead and log in if you have an account, or if you haven't already, go ahead and create an account. To do this, you would just need to click on the Canvas registration button. Once you're ready to go with your design, you can go ahead and either click on portrait or landscape mode. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus button here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose 1016 in the portrait orientation and click on OK. So here we have our canvas, and you can see that there are a number of many great features that you can use here. At any time, if you'd like to full screen your canvas, you can click the four outward facing arrows here, and that's going to expand your image. And if you'd like to go ahead and go back, you can go ahead and click on that again. So today we're going to be mostly focusing on the sticker feature with Clever Canvas. So if you'd like to add a sticker to your canvas and to add to your design, all you have to do is click on the settings gear icon on the bottom row of icons. Once you click on that, you can see that you're going to be able to select from your stickers. So here's the screen you'll see. If you go ahead and click on the first stickers button here, it's going to give you the option to look through the stickers that you have. So here I have 4 different stickers that I could choose from, and all I have to do is choose the sticker that I would like to use, and you can see that I can also adjust the opacity of that sticker. So if I want something to be visible underneath the sticker, I can lower the opacity so you can see right through it. Or if you'd like to make it a solid image, go ahead and drag the bar all the way to the right. Now if I go and click on my back button here, you can see that I can click on my stickers, and here you can see that you can actually have custom stickers as well. All you have to do is copy them to the directory that is shown here, and you'll be able to view those stickers within the Clever Canvas application. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and click on this animated tab down here. You can see that I have some more stickers that I can select from. So if I swipe back to the right, you can see here that I have some more stickers that I'd be able to choose from. If I go down here to, for example, dog, here I have some dog stickers that I can choose from. So if I wanted to use one of these dog stickers, all I have to do is click on the free button here, and it's going to go ahead and start downloading that file. Okay, so once the file is downloaded, if I go back into my menu here, where I had previously clicked on the dog icon and I didn't have any selectable stickers, if I click on it now, you can see that I actually have some stickers that I can use. So I'm going to go ahead and select from one of these dog stickers here. I'm just going to choose this one here. And you can see that it's animated, so it's a GIF that I can add into my canvas. Now you can see here I have a checkbox where I can just have it loop. And you can either select that or unselect that if you want it to play on a loop. You can also adjust the speed at which the GIF is going to play back. Also, if you'd like to blow up the image, you can click on the magnifying glass to see it full screen. So now that I'm happy with this, I can go ahead and click on the check button in the top right-hand corner. That's going to go ahead and add in this GIF onto my canvas. Now I have a lot of different options that I can use here to modify this particular GIF. If I tap and hold on the icon in the bottom right of the GIF, I can go ahead and resize this GIF. And if I drag from the middle, I can go ahead and move it around on my canvas. You can also rotate it by clicking on the icon in the top right-hand corner. While pressing and holding on this, just move it in whichever direction you would like to tilt. If you click on the icon right below the GIF, you can see that you'll be able to duplicate the image. Click on yes. So now I have 2 of these GIFs. If you don't want it, click on the X in the top left-hand corner to remove it. Now keep in mind, once you are done with that particular image, it will be placed on the canvas and you can no longer edit it. So keep in mind, once you get rid of the controls for that particular GIF or image, that you will no longer be able to edit it. So make sure that whenever you're done using those controls, that you have it set in whichever position you like on your canvas and you're done with any modifications you'd like to make. If you decide for any reason that you want to get rid of that image, you have a few different options here. You can click the undo button in the top left-hand corner. You can see that the GIF will now disappear. So the second way that I can get rid of this, if I would like to, is if I have a canvas and if there's nothing on the canvas that I want to use and I want to get rid of this GIF, in the top right-hand corner, if you click on the 3 dots, you can see that I have a few different options here. So I could play this GIF if I wanted to. But I also have the option in this navigation menu to clear the canvas. So if I click on clear and I confirm it, it's going to clear everything that's on there. So it gets rid of the GIF that I've placed on my canvas. And just looking at a separate sticker here, I'm going to go ahead and grab another sticker, just lower the opacity a bit, and click on the checkbox. You can at any time click on that top icon just above the image, which is going to allow you to edit it. That way you can make adjustments to the opacity, or if you would like to change it for a different image and then update it, you can do that as well. You can also use the icon to the right of the image to adjust the width or the height of the image that you've placed on your screen. If you click on the triangle, you can move this image or this sticker above or below whichever layers that you have. And speaking of layers, one of the great features of Clever Canvas is you do have the option to add in multiple layers. So if you click on that arrow that you can see on the right hand side of your screen, if you just tap on that, you'll be able to see all the different layers. So here we have our main layer that has our sticker, but you can also see that you have a background layer, and you can click on that plus button to add in a new layer. So for example here, if I wanted to go ahead and draw on my canvas, so here for example, if I wanted to, I could draw a line. So here if we go ahead and click on that arrow again on the right hand side, you can see that we can look at our layers, and so that line, whether or not it's above or below the image or sticker that we have on our canvas, is going to be determined upon where this layer is set in this list here. Also, you can turn a layer off and on just to see what it would look like. So if I wanted to see what it looks like without that line in the image, I can click on the eye icon to disable that layer, or click it again to enable it. If you want to get rid of a layer, select that layer and click on the delete button. Yes, and it gets rid of that layer. So another thing I did forget to mention earlier is that at any point in time, if you unselect the image or sticker that you're editing, all you have to do is tap and hold on the image, and it's going to bring back up all of those editing features. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move this image here, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go back into my settings here, and now we're going to go ahead and click on this gallery button here. So click on gallery, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this up with my pictures here so I can browse and pick one of my pictures from my gallery to use on Clever Canvas. Alright, so here I've got a picture that I'd like to use, so I'm going to go ahead and select this picture here. And so here we have some really good cropping options where we can go ahead and crop the part of the picture that we want to use here. So I'm going to just go ahead and move this around and crop to capture the part of the picture that I want to use here. So I've got some square cropping options, and I've also got this circular cropping option that I can use as well. So if I want to just go ahead and select a part of it in this circular radius, then I can go ahead and select the part of the image I want to use and click on the Done button in the top right hand corner. If I click on the Effect tab down here, you can see I can choose from the available effects. And so now I can go ahead and choose, for example, bounce, and this is going to make the image bounce. I can choose the speed here and increase or decrease the speed that I want it to bounce at. And once you fine-tune those settings, I can go ahead and click on the checkbox here and go ahead and move this image around. Go ahead and just resize it. And once you're done editing and modifying the image here, all I have to do is click on the dots in the top right hand corner. And now I can go ahead and click on play. Now first it's going to ask that you save this. I'm going to go ahead and save this and give it a name. And then we can go ahead and click on the save button. So what you'll need to do here is go ahead and give a duration. So I'm going to just choose 10 seconds. Speed is fine, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the check button at the top of the screen. And here you can now see the preview with my image that is now bouncing. So that's just a quick look at how you can use these stickers on Clever Canvas and how you can use it to make some really great designs on your canvas. And that's it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.